toner. This one works amazing on my oily skin. I prep my skin only using this one toner. If you want more hydration, you can layer it off. Then I'm using this concealer, which is 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone. Though I have hyperpigmentation and a little bit of dark circle under my eyes, I'm using this one to color correct them. Then I'm blending it with a flat concealer brush. Actually, I like to use concealer rather than color corrector because when I use color corrector, it gets a little heavy and I have to apply a lot of foundation and extra concealer, so I really don't like it. I'm semi-blending this one, and then I'm using these two products. One is a tinted sunscreen, another is a serum foundation. I'm mixing those together and then applying it on my face. Though it is a daytime makeup, I really like to use sunscreen. This sunscreen is good, but it has a less tint, like it is less pigmented, so I like to add a little bit of extra foundation. The serum foundation is very lightweight, so I mixed it, and even after mixing those two, it's still lightweight and very oily skin friendly. Then I'm focusing it under my eyes. I don't know why, after some time, like 1 or 2 hours, my under eye makeup just disappears and I really don't like it, so I'm building it up there. Then I'm using this blush stick. I always put it on back of my hand, then I blend it and put it on my face. Though I have blush blindness, this trick really saves me and it really helps to save my makeup. It doesn't move my base. And I'm using this highlighter stick. This highlighter stick is so good. It doesn't have any chunky glitter and it looks so gluey. I don't know how, it looks so natural even on day sunlight. And I'm blending it with my finger. Then I'm moving to the powder. For powder, I'm using the translucent powder, which doesn't have any color, and I'm just dabbing it. I always put the powder like this back of my hand and put the excess out and dab it all over my face where I usually get oily. Don't worry, you won't feel cakey or extra. It will blend with time. It will settle down. Then I'm using this bronzer palette. I'm using the medium tone bronzer for my eyelid and a plastic, which is also a brown skin friendly. I really like to use these shades because pink and orange really don't work on me whenever I try to do a natural makeup look. So I'm using this one. Then I'm doing my eyeliner. I have hooded eyes, so I really do thin liner just the way my eyelines are. I always fill the inner corner and outer corner, and I always extend the end like this. When you are trying to use a eyeliner, please, like when you are doing with gel liners, be careful. This can get messy like this when you are trying to do with your fingers. I really did that. Okay, now I'm filling my eyebrows and not doing anything dramatic. Then I'm brushing them to give the saturated look. The sun is so stupid, I don't know, it's coming and going. I'm so frustrated. Then I'm doing the highlighter trick. I really don't like to use chunky glitter, so I'm using the highlighter stick on my eyes. It looks so natural. Also on my nose a little bit. Then I'm contouring my nose. For natural look, don't use sharp contouring tricks. Just bring back the shadow using a medium tone bronzer to just bring the shadow back. Then I'm using the highlighter in the corner of my eyes and also on my nose bridge. Then I'm using this nude brown lip set. I think it is like a nude brown, okay? It really blurs out the lips, like it covers the hyperpigmentation and it helps me to get that soft blurred lip look. Using a lip tint because it is really long lasting and it gives such a blurry effect. It is better than lipstick and feels very lightweight. Then I'm using a glowy lip tint because I really wanted to have a pop-up color on my lips. If you like simple, you can go simple, but I like to add a little extra, so I'm applying it. Then I'm going with this lip gloss. This lip gloss is a plumping lip gloss and you can't believe how affordable it is. It's like only for 100 something and it is so good. It plumps my lip and it is like a colored lip gloss and looks so good. Then I'm topping with a glossy watery lip tint. It is from Swiss Beauty. Okay, it looks so amazing. Then I'm using a eyelash color to curl my lashes to get the curled lashes. Then I'm applying my mascara, and without making that face I cannot apply it, so it's so weird. I'm so sorry for that. Then I'm also applying it on my lower lashes. This mascara is from Swiss Beauty and this one works so good. Like, see how clean my lashes are looking even after I go with 2 coating. Other mascaras really makes my lashes looks like spider kind. I really don't like that, but I like this one. This one gives me clean lashes look. So I am going with 2 to 3 coating. Then I am coating again to give it a little perfect look. You can do it as per your choice. Then I'm using the highlighter to bring back the glow again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. You can see it from the back camera here. There is no filter. It is, you can see how blurred and clean this makeup look is. Thanks for watching. I know my voice is little weird. I'll try my best to correct it. Please subscribe and continue watching. Thank you.